This is Alex at TSW. Just want to explain a little bit about this truck and what we do and how we started. We're a company here in Austin, Texas, just north of Austin in Hutto. We specifically work on the Ford Raptor, Gen 1, 2, and 3, as well as Raptor swaps on F-150s as well. Basically how we got started was years and years ago. You know, I always wanted a Raptor and kind of came to buying one. And as soon as I got one, I started tearing it apart and seeing how it worked. I've been a mechanic all my life. Really, the reason I started this company was I felt a need that there wasn't enough quality service in the industry. We do everything from mild to wild here, as far as anything from maintenance to a full-blown build like Brandon's truck here. So the meat and potatoes of this whole truck is going to be the suspension. The bolt kit from RPG Off-Road. With this kit, you're going to get up to 16.5 inches of travel. You have a 3.0 primary DSC. You can do Fox or King, as well as a 3.0 or 3.5 secondary. So essentially, you're almost tripling from stock to this, tripling your dampening abilities. Travel, dampening, adjustability with the DSC shocks. You have full adjustability on the secondary shocks, so you can fine-tune your rebound, your compression, etc. You can drive to Baja, you know, beat the crap out of it and then drive it home and really have no worries about breaking anything. It's just a bulletproof kit. And then as we go to the back, we've got the RST18 bypass rack from RPG. Is the recovery rack and bypass rack in one. What that allows us to do is to have a 3.5 by 16 shock in the rear coming up through the bed. Shocks go up into the bypass rack. That delivers 18 inches of usable travel. Hammering on these trucks, you add a lot of heat to the engine and transmission. One way to combat that is with the CBR transmission coolers. So we did a dual 9-inch CBR remote transmission cooler setup. That is a huge decrease in transmission temperatures. The factory cooler is not great. You can upgrade to a Mishimoto or a Saudi Arabia version of the factory cooler. It's still not enough for what we've seen here in the Texas heat. So as far as performance goes, we did a Kooks 1.75-inch exhaust system, long tube headers, factory connect into a Corsa Xtream catback. Again, if you need anything Raptor or shock related services, rebuilding, revalving, performance, anything Raptor, we are in Central Texas. Find us on Instagram at TSW Offroad, and we will be happy to take care of you.